Listen carefully, read slowly, and learn English naturally. Today's story will teach you something very important about life and about money. Long ago, in a small village, there lived a man named Daniel. People thought he was lazy. Every day he sat under a tree, looking at the sky. He always said, "One day I will become rich." But that day never came. His wife worked very hard. She cooked, cleaned, and tried to take care of the family. One evening she said softly, "Dreams are good, but dreams cannot feed us." Daniel said nothing. Days passed, months passed, years passed. Life became difficult. Food was less. Money was almost gone. One night his little grandson came to him. The boy looked weak and hungry. "Grandpa, do we have food?" Daniel felt pain in his heart. There was nothing in the house. That night he could not sleep. He thought deeply. For the first time, he understood something important. The next morning, Daniel went to work. The sun was hot. The work was hard. His hands became rough. His body became tired. But he continued. Every day he earned a little money. But soon he saw something. Money came, and money went. Nothing changed. One day he heard someone say, "Save money for the future." That night, Daniel found a jar. Every week he saved a few coins. Slowly, the jar became full. He felt proud, but one day everything changed again. When he went to buy food, the shopkeeper said, "Prices are higher now." His saved money was not enough. Daniel was shocked. That evening he sat quietly. Then a small idea came. What if I use money instead of just saving it? He bought a few chickens. At first they got only one egg, then two, then more. They ate some and sold some. With the money, they bought more chickens. Days passed, and something beautiful happened. The chickens grew, the income grew, hope grew. People came to buy eggs. For the first time, Daniel felt proud. One day, he held an egg in his hand and said, "Money can disappear, but if you use it wisely, it can grow." His grandson smiled and asked, "Grandpa, what did you learn?" Daniel smiled gently. He said, "Never just save money. Learn how to grow it." Sometimes we think saving is enough, but real success comes when we learn to use what we have. Even a small step can change your life. Do you believe this is true? Stay with us and learn English with more beautiful stories.